and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating history of artificial intelligence, a concept that has captured the imaginations of scientists, futurists, and enthusiasts for decades. In this video, we will take you on a journey through time, exploring the key milestones and breakthroughs that have shaped the development of AI. So, let's embark on this historical adventure. The birth of AI. Our story begins in the 1950s, known as the birth of artificial intelligence. Pioneering researchers such as Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the foundation for AI by introducing concepts like the Turing test and the Dartmouth Conference, which sparked widespread interest in creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. Early AI developments. During the 1950s and 60s, early AI researchers focused on developing symbolic or rule-based systems. They aimed to create machines that could follow predefined rules and logical reasoning. One of the notable achievements of this era was the creation of the logic theorists by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, which could prove mathematical theorems. The AI winter. In the 1970s and 80s, AI faced a period known as the AI winter. Progress in AI research slowed down, and initial optimism gave way to skepticism. Funding and public interest dwindled due to unmet expectations and the realization that AI was more challenging than initially anticipated. However, this setback ultimately paved the way for a resurgence. Expert systems and neural networks. The 1980s saw the rise of expert systems, which aimed to capture human knowledge in rule-based systems. These systems excelled in specific domains, such as medical diagnosis and financial planning. Additionally, neural networks experienced a resurgence, with researchers like Geoffrey Hinton making significant contributions to their development. Machine learning and big data. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, AI entered a new era with the emergence of machine learning and big data. Researchers shifted their focus from rule-based systems to data-driven approaches. Machine learning algorithms, such as decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks, allowed computers to learn from large datasets, leading to significant advancements in speech recognition, image classification, and natural language processing. Deep learning and breakthroughs. The last decade witnessed groundbreaking achievements in AI, particularly in the field of deep learning. Deep neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, demonstrated exceptional capabilities in image recognition, language translation, and playing complex games like Go. Notable examples include AlphaGo defeating world champion Lee Sedol and the development of advanced voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI today and the future. Today, AI is all around us. It powers virtual assistants, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles, and much more. Industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing are leveraging AI to drive innovation and efficiency. Looking ahead, the future of AI holds tremendous potential, with advancements in areas like explainable AI, robotics, and the ethical implications of AI. Conclusion. And there you have it, the captivating history of artificial intelligence. From its humble beginnings to the modern AI revolution, this field has come a long way. As we move forward, let's celebrate the accomplishments of the past, learn from the challenges faced, and embrace the incredible possibilities that AI offers. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. If you found this video informative, make sure to share it with others who are interested in the history of AI. And if you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.